Is he's the muskrat boat, and he's going to come out and lay down the time that to beat for the other competitor here, Olson, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, the Olsons are the ones that pulled down from Moscow, isn't it? Yes, sirree. They're quick, so he's going to have to run a really hot lap here.